Good day. Today we're going to look at just file sharing with the learner. So in our other stuff we've gone through e-learning. Now we're just going to look at file sharing. So if you just wanted to upload a file or a couple of files for a group of learners to access, how would you do that? The way we've set this up is that within your short course or your module, on your campus and for the group of students you want to work with, you click on the expand icon, so the white plus on the black circle. And what this will do is open up an option here at the bottom for resources. Now, what I'm going to show you is that when you add resources, you shouldn't put them in a folder. You should just add the resources. So what I'm going to do here, I'll just call this folder staff. Okay. And what will happen is anything that is in a folder won't display, but anything that is outside of the folder will display. So I'm just going to add some files. In case you didn't know, in Student Manager, what you're able to do is you can also drag and drop. So I'm going to select a file. I'm going to bring it across and I'm going to drop it on there. As you can see, it's an MP3. You will see a list of files which can be uploaded. Okay, so I'm going to click save now. It'll take a little bit of time because my up connection isn't as fast as my down connection. So we'll give it a second. Okay. So we have a audio file. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add an image just so that we have the audio file in the image. Obviously all those other file types are also supported, but this is just a method to show that I've just put two different file types there. Okay. So you'll notice that the full file name is there. So whatever the file name was when I uploaded it, that is the name of the file. So now we have this here. How do we get the students to access it? So the first thing we need to do is I need to make sure, so I'm going to open in a new tab my settings. I need to make sure the students now have access to learning material. So I'll scroll down and I'll go to student access. And you see currently my learning material isn't selected. So I'm going to click edit. And I'm going to select that we show the learning material. Click save. Wait for that to process. So now we have that available. Okay. So I have this one student in here. I've uploaded these files for him and I've put the staff folder as a test. What I'm going to do is just find that one student. So he is in here. And you can do this if you have the access rights. I'm going to impersonate the student to see whether the student can actually access those files or not. So I go to more and impersonate on their profile. And now it will reload the page, but it's going to reload the page in the context of that student as if that student had logged in. Although, just so that you know, when you impersonate the user, all actions will affect them, but it will be logged as you having made the changes. So just be aware of that with impersonating. Okay, so we have this option here for learning material. So let's see what displays. So I've done learning material. If I click on the short learning material program A, you'll see that the anchor is there, anchor test MP3, and the test image is there, but the folder is not there that I made that I call staff. So everything outside of the folder on that home directory will be shared with the learner. Anything inside of a folder won't. And so this is our feature for file sharing to make it easier for you to just share certain files with them. So make sure that they're labeled correctly when you create them and you upload them, and then that'll be the name and they'll know what to click on or what to download. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found